Hi students, in this video we are going to learn interconversion of liquid to solids. We already discussed in some other cases from solid to liquids. The process of conversion of solid to liquid is called melting. That particular temperature is called melting point. Different melting points I already given. Now let us see liquids to solids. I think you already know ghee. Whenever you kept the ghee in the fridge, what happens? After some time, after some hours, it is converted to solid state. And if you take some amount of coconut oil and you keep it in the fridge, after certain time, it is converted into the solid state. See here, liquid state of the matter changes to solid state. Even you know the preparation of ice cubes. They'll take some amount of the water in ice cube trays. They'll pour the water in the ice cube trays. Then automatically they are going to put that ice cube trays in the fridge. After certain time, means after some hours, liquid water completely changes into solid ice. This means this is an exactly reverse process of melting. In the case of melting, solid changes to liquid. In the case of freezing, liquid changes to solid. Let us see the definition. The process in which the substance in liquid state, the substance in the liquid state changes to the solid state. How? By losing its energy. In the process of melting, there is a gain of energy. In the case of freezing, there is a loss of energy. Now let us discuss what is meaning of freezing point. Like melting point, freezing point is there. The particular temperature at which a liquid completely changes to solid. That particular temperature is called freezing point. Let us discuss some of the freezing points of the different liquids which are given in the table now. See here, I given a list of freezing points of different liquids. Water we already know 273 Kelvin, that is nothing but 0 degrees Celsius. Why? Because to convert from Kelvin to Celsius, we should subtract minus 273. So 0 degrees Celsius. This means melting point of ice and freezing point of water, both of them are same. That we can say that melting point is exactly reverse process of freezing. Freezing is also the reverse process of melting. Now if you consider the bromine, bromine is also liquid which is there in the brown color. Whenever we are going on cooling the bromine at 260 Kelvin, this means at minus 10 degrees Celsius only it is converted into the solid state. This means liquid bromine completely changes into the solid state at 260 Kelvin. That is, freezing point of Kelvin is 260 Kelvins. Like benzene, also converted to solid state at 278.7 Kelvins. Acetic acid, which is in the liquid state, completely changes to solid at a temperature of 290 Kelvins. Means approximately 20 degrees Celsius. Nice. Come to the methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is a very important ingredient which are used in the preparation of medicines. So compulsory, while in the transport process, compulsory the methyl alcohol should convert it into solid state. Then and there only it can be transported easily, or otherwise it may catch fire. So for that methyl alcohol changes to solid at 175 Kelvins. castor oil, what we are calling as in Telugu Amudam, then it is converted into the 263.2 kelvins. These are all the different liquids with different freezing points. Let us discuss now how the process of conversion of liquid changes to solid by using kinetic theory of matter now. See, as per kinetic theory of matter, in the case of liquids, intermolecular distance is very, very high. By cooling means the temperature that present in the liquids gradually decreases. This means the particles are losing their internal energy. As we already know, internal energy is a combination of linear kinetic energy, rotational energy, vibrational energy, potential energy. As the process of cooling is going on, the molecules are going to lose their energy. Because of the cooling, distance between the particles decreases. The distance between the particles is cause for potential energy. As the distance decreases, their vibrational energy also gradually decreases. As the vibrational energy converted into the rotational, as the vibrational energy decreases, then rotation. Then the rotation becomes linear kinetic energy. This means totally internal energy of the particles gradually decreases. This is an exact opposite position to the melting. In the melting, internal energy increases. In the case of freezing, internal energy decreases. This means as the internal energy decreases, that means there will be a decrease in the temperature also. As the temperature decreases, there will be a decrease in the internal molecular distance. As intermolecular distance is decreases, the particles will come close to each other. As the particles come close to each other, they have a fixed shape. They'll arrange in the form of a fixed shape. Such kind of the molecules or such kind of the matter is called solid. This means at a particular temperature, by the process of cooling, a liquid completely changes to solid. That particular temperature is called freezing point. That process of conversion of liquid to solid is called freezing. Thank you.